we're going to open Season 2 of Woodcademy strong by building an updated version of my folding router table. Now, over the years as a professional woodworker, I've made dozens and dozens of router tables of all descriptions, but I've always wanted one that was full size, had full capacity for use, but could be folded away for transport to a job site or just to store out of the way when not being used. And with this design, I've achieved all my objectives. It features a full-size top. This one's 18 by 27, but it could be even larger. It has a router lift, a shop-built aluminum-bodied fence that works really, really well, and can take a full-size router of the 2¼ to 2½ horsepower size. And it folds up or unfolds for storage and transportation with no tools required to do it. But having used it for several years now, there's a few improvements I wanted to make, and so we're going to build an updated version of this. And as always, there'll be a free set of project plans that you can download to follow along with the build. So watch for Season 2 of Woodcademy streaming on Amazon Prime.